Hello, can you guys hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
Can hear you, sir.
So I was saying that running the ls command, definitely, you're going to see all what is available on that file level that you are. The file level that we are in currently is the desktop on Abraham's MacBook Pro. And these are lists of stores that are on my desktop. It's a whole lot, isn't it? As you can see. It's a whole lot. IG projects, components, IG final, whatever, do. You know, this a whole lot. Some people's computer, if you put all of this on their desktop, it will not turn on. Do you understand? So all of this on my desktop, sitting on my desktop, either as a folder or as a files. You know, if you can see them, it's a whole lot stuff. Do you understand what ls does now? It listed the items on the file level. So by principle of command, how many now? PWD, present working directory, CD, change directory, ls, lists items on the system. Are you guys getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I need you to do now, for those of you using Windows, if you can type command prompt, please type command prompt on the search. And if you are using a MacBook, type terminal. If you are using Linux system, the same thing, operating system called Linux, you can type terminal. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
So you can type there list files and directories in the current directories there like dir, that is what is going to use as ls, or cd is still cd, right? Change the current directory, cd, that is what cd does. Ren like ren is renames files. So maybe what I will do, you've seen the command prompt. Were you able to see command prompt? Hello, guys.
Please, I do share the screen again.
Huh?
Yes. We are in the prompt, command prompt.
Okay, just say CD, then you type desktop. The desktop have to start with capital D, right? Just sending this list to the post on the group. I just sent to the program manager, please. I just sent you list of some of them. I think just about 25, because if it is too much, they will not even know what to do. You know, CD then, but the CD then space desktop, the way I was doing it, but the D of the desktop have to be capital. If you start writing D like capital and ES, and you press tab, you see that it will auto complete it for you. and you can hit enter. And you can do PWD. Please, if as you are doing it on your window, just confirm that those codes are working. And if you want to exit the command prompt, you just write exit, like EXIT, exit. Those are the things that several of them that I wrote for you. I've given you like 25 here, which the program manager will probably post it in there, and should be able to.
So I did PWD. Said PWD is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Okay, PWD,
Operable
right?
program.
Okay, yeah. Or PWD, maybe just for PWD and window. It should work, right? Sure. Yeah. Should work.
I did there. It listed out all the files
Yeah.
on my desktop.
Please, if the program manager is on this call, kindly post what I sent to you or in the group, please. Hello, program manager, are you on this call? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, please kindly post what I sent to you on the group so that
All right. Okay.
did you say you did PWD and it did not work for you? It says what again, you said? Should work.
Yes, I just exited the command.
If you don't
So
see
I
it,
want to go back to
then if you don't see it, then you use the second one, CMD. Well, did it work? CMD?
You said wait. Okay, I just entered the CMD now, the command prompt. So
What happened, my friend, please? What happened when you enter CMD? You say PWD did not work, so I'm giving you equivalent of PWD, and I say CMD. What did you see? You guys not even there.
Well, when I entered CMD, it just said Microsoft window and it listed the version 10.0 and then Microsoft Corporation. That's all.
Did you try PWD on your, probably that person is using 32. And,
Yes, I also tried PWD. When I tried PWD, it said the same thing the guy is trying to tell you. It's not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. That's what it said.
Okay, no, your bash is not updated. Now that you are talking. Now you are talking.
Okay.
You need to update your bash. You need to update your bash.
Okay, noted.
Because those things I didn't put them there. They are pre-programs. I did not put those things there. They are pre-programs, right? So if you do PWD and it's talking about bash, means bash is not updated. I'll come up with how to update bash and all of that. So it's a bit of work. But otherwise, PWD works for the 3 operating systems, right? CD command.
okay, sir. What I was asking, I went offline and I just got back off network. I said I just entered. Is okay, Sim. I just entered the command prompt. Now, what is the first thing you say we should type, or is it straight to the PWD?
No, I say you can, depending on what you want to even start. You can say PWD means present working directory. CD means change directory, the current directory that is going to change. If you see CD, then you write where you're changing to, desktop maybe. But you have to write the D in uppercase, right? Desktop. Then ES and whatever, then you know desktop now. You press enter,
Yes.
the file level will upgrade to that level that you've changed to. And instead of LS, yours, if you are not a Mac user, it's not LS, it's there, which somebody has confirmed that she has used. But what they used and is not updated now is the PWD, which is a present working directory. And some of them tried it out, but unfortunately, it's telling them about bash update, which I believe their bash is not updated. That it's going to require a bit of stuff there. Otherwise, PWD works for the 3 operating system, as far as I know. So has anybody survived the PWD thing on the window? Did you try to use a CLI? Hello? My sister? Hello?
No, but I'll try now.
Try CLI. If your bash is not updated, then is a big is PWD is not working, CLI is not working, CMD is not working. Wow, so it's gonna be a lot of Ma?
It's not working as well. It's the same thing. It's not
Is
recognized
is
as an
is
external
is is glitching? I cannot even hear you.
Oh.
If your window is not Windows 10 10s, if it is not Windows 10s, then PWD, keep typing it. Keep typing PWD. Like you do it once, you do it again. Right? And do it, keep do it like 2-3 times. You do it once. Huh?
Ion is still giving the same error of PWD is not recognized as an internal. I'm using Windows 11.
Oh yeah, well, that is okay. That is a good window. And the CMD not working for you.
Yeah, CMD showed me my Windows version.
That
Microsoft.
is what I want to hear. So because I don't know the kind of system you people are using. So number one, if your system is 32-bit operating system, you know, it's going to take a whole different command because it's a bit ancient. And if it is 64 operating system, it's still we still have to like check your command setup to know whether your bash is updated and all of that stuff. So that is why I keep giving, you know, several things like CMD, CLI, PWD, you know. So that means CMD works for you, okay, Sin?
Yes, CMD work.
Okay. Some of you can try CMD, some can try CLI. That is why I use Mac. Window is not very specific sometimes. So I'm a monumental thinker. I don't like doing like guessing thing. No, it's not my thing. So, but it's because you people are not very used to the bash system. If you become very, very good with the bash, you'll begin to see that if I want PWD to work for you, I'm just going to follow up, do every installation to make sure that is what I'm going to adopt. Because you have to be
Please,
more.
sir, which of the bits of the
Sir?
sorry, which of the bits do you recommend that the system should have before you should run
It's
such a program?
64. It's 64 operating system. That is, yeah, it should be 64 because using no offense, but using 32, that would be like Indian thing. And technology is advancing on a daily basis.
And for those of us who
You have to migrate to 64.
for those of us who haven't arrived there, how
No, it's
so
you
how
know,
can we
like
upgrade for the badges? For those of us
oh, you mean like since now that you're not using a system, is that what you're saying? I don't understand. Hello?
exactly the 64 bits and upgrading for the badges to meet up with what to meet up for the programming language now.
If you have no, I'm not saying that you cannot use 32 to program, but you can upgrade it. You can upgrade it to 64 operating system, based operating system. So that's what I'm saying. So otherwise, you're going to be left out a lot of command, especially when you are using Unix. And if you want to be a cyber expert or an ethical hacker, you cannot do without this Unix system. Is like the prerequisite to even trying to learn ethical hacking in terms of cybersecurity. So I don't know if the program manager has posted it there, but if he has, glory be to God. If he has not, definitely is going to post it there. So
I've posted it.
okay, thank you, sir. So I don't know where we are. Right. So these are the applicable systems. What do they pass here? Like Windows versus Mac versus Linux, all are acceptable. Talked about here. This is where we are. So for example, Mac, when you say CD to where on Windows, right? The CD is still the same thing, which I believe this is what you guys like, home directory. All right, so on Mac, PWD, sometimes CD, yeah, CD can work for you too, right? Hello. What's that guy's name that says that he did PWD, did not work for him? If you do CD without writing any file level, it may work for you too, depending your operating system. I mean your bits operating system. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes, CD works.
Okay.
CD works.
So that is a message to the, I don't know if it was Josephine talking, was it, or he talking, I don't know who was talking at that time, so. Hello, or the person is trying or is not here. Okay. You go through
I
your
think
slides.
it's Naomi.
Okay, Naomi, all right. So CD works, CD should work as well. CMD works for OKSIN, CD works for OKSIN. So for listening directory, Dell works for Windows, CD, LS works for us, for folder level and code. So case sensitivities is also key. File names in Linux and Macs are case sensitive. That means my file.txt exclamation equals to my file.txt is not the same unless you use Windows. This Windows does not care about these file names, but on Mac and Linux, definitely you have to be very simultaneous in your naming. The rules are too much there. Just like honey badger. I don't care. So CD, if CD does not work for some people who has Windows in terms of change directory, you use what we call CHDAO. You know, it also works perfectly. So many of them navigate up to one directory, PWD, CD, all of this. Talking about path, the relative / absolute path, you know. When your path system is not accurate, then your bash will have problems, right? So the starting for relative path is the directory you are in. That is the starting. That is why you need to change the PWD. And the starting for absolute path in the root directory is just, like for example, on Linux, or C is just slash on Linux, and C_/ to the other side on Windows. The Linux is what the Mac system adopted. So you see a bit of file level here. In case you don't know what a file level is. This is folder, the one that is on blue. This is sky blue, and the other ones, these ones, they are, for those of you who does not know the difference, this is a folder. And this is a file. These are files. These are folders. Okay. It's not too much there because you all know, I believe. All right. This level now is what we refer to as Git and GitHub, right? The GitHub is a version, the Git is an open source version control system, right? It has so many advantages, a very big community. You maintain histories of changes. You can commit. Commit means push all your code there. You can use a remote server for backup. And github.com is a popular website with a feature built on top of these tools called Git, which is a control version, system. So you can find tons of free projects on GitHub. And if you get to one level programmer, you're expected to have an account on GitHub and what we refer to as Stack Overflow, because that is where they checked programmers, not even on LinkedIn. So you're expected to have a repo there, repository there. That is your own hub where you ship all of your codes into. Some of us are very lazy. If we have a code, you don't have time to commit them. Committing like pushing it there. All right. And this is github.com. You can go there and you clone, download. For those of you who are lazy, that you want to always know how the code works so that you steal them. A lot of them here on GitHub repo. Some you may not find it, but even though they are there are some systems we use in finding them, which I'm not telling you now. Okay, so you go there, you clone it, and then you extract the files on the GitHub. So does anybody here has a GitHub account? Okay, Sin, do you have a GitHub account? Hello? It's free to
Yes,
read.
I do.
Okay,
Yes, I
yeah.
do.
It's important. So you already know what I'm talking about. So you can commit your code there and then ship it in there, right? So is it a third link?
Yes.
Yes, this is the third link.
Okay. So these are the status of commands like git status on branch master. Your branch is up to date. You can install it on the computer. Can unstage the changes like create file called your first name, .text. In the pull request directory, you write a fun fact about yourself. So you can decide to unrack it here from the Unix command, and you can just decide to go to their system and you sign up. This is what we are trying to say here, right? So, okay, that is, this is just about it now. It's a whole lot, but important is not that very, very much to it. From now, you can just pick it those commands, with those 25 commands, you just try to explore to know more about it. Just try to know more about it. There is a main reason why we are here. CIG projects, which we have not really started, which we want to really start it. Okay. Yeah, this is Python. Hello, people. This is Python. Whether you like it or not, we have to progress. So the web fundamental is just to give you a pack of knowing what the web technologies are, knowing fully well that is like the fundamental approach to programming, knowing fully well that whatever you are doing, web development or design, or knowing the web technologies is very important for as far as IT is concerned. It's just like the very prerequisite to know software development. Even you specializing in data science, analytics, specializing in cyber security, robotics design, machine learning, cloud computing, and even to mechatronics. You know, web is very key. The .com era is that of the era of web. And definitely even Internet of Things. That is why we try to do the very fundamentals of web development so that you have a peek of, you know, what we're going to be getting into. From the flyers that we designed at the very first time without sharing them with you, what we put up there is Python full stack development and data science. And I can tell you these two beautiful titles made a lot of people sign up for this, our class. Do you understand? And which I know for sure, to an extent, a lot of people started pulling out, thinking that maybe we'll never get here, or maybe here is not that very important like that of web development, which is not true. What we were doing, we're just trying to give you a little background of what we're going to be doing. So when we say Python full stack development, what we mean is front-end, back-end, and database. Full stack, including the bus quarter, the guest Charlie, the main house, the security post, the generator house, everything as far as the perimeter of that plot of land is concerned. That is what we meant by full stack. It's the job of an architect, a civil engineer, and a building engineer. You know, in the real sense, these are supposed to be three engineers coming together, rubbing minds to see how they could erect that beautiful mansion. But you, one person, thinking that I can do it alone. And I have resulted you saying, I want to become a Python full stack developer. And now that the Python is a core, is not the relative, there is nothing you can do. No hidden place for you, because Python is involved. And for that of data science, if you think that you want to become a data scientist, there are two programming languages that are very adaptable. Python programming language and another one we call R. But unfortunately, due to the adoptions of Python in artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python overtook R programming language within a very short test time of the emergence of this technology. And by so doing, the adoption of Python does not even stop in the web applications or in the machine learning or artificial intelligence, but also went forward to meet that of quantum computers, cloud computing, and other emerging technology like IoT, Internet of Things. And like I tell you right now, if you are a Python developer, the job market is quite high for you. So the opportunity here is really, really, really big. And the good news, by the special grace of God, your instructor is a Python expert certified with what we call PCEP, PCAP, PCPP1, and PCPP2. The whole certification, as far as Python is concerned, I have them. I'm certified full-time by the grace of God, from the very famous Python Institute. And like I'm talking to you, just like you eat pounded yam and egusi, this is what I eat for a living. This is my living room. For every research I do, be it robotics design, be it machine learning, be it web development, be it cloud computing, I don't do it without Python. So you are in a good hand. And this class will end in less than 6 minutes from now. But all I can assure you, this is the most intriguing part of this course. And I can tell you also that this is a reason why you should subscribe to this course. This is the reason why you should broadcast and tell the world, tell people, tell neighbors, be it palm wine tapper. We have ability to convert you or to transform you to become Python developer, or even beyond, to the extent of becoming a data scientist. So the one that we've been doing since is just like a preamble, just like a Reverend Father coming to the altar, telling you, Holy Mary, Mother of God. All we have been doing is just the periphery part of it. It's just like you saying, I want to cook jollof rice. Therefore, let me just parboil the rice and wash them first. Glory be to God. As I meet you on Wednesday, be ready to welcome a very, very professional, constructive, simple, specific, individualistic pattern of teaching, coding to you. Happy coding. God bless you. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm already excited about the course.
Thank you.
Emmanuel, this thank you are doing. This thank you are doing. Are you sure you are ready?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. This is Adejo on the beat.
You're welcome.
Shane, until I talk the thank you in capital letter.
Yes. So.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. See you on Wednesday. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.